Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change Microsoft Word page number. So let's begin our video. So here you can see this is my Microsoft Word and there have three pages, 1, 2 and 3. And if you just see, there have a page number 1, 2 and 3, but I actually want to change my page number. I don't want to page number from here. I just want to change I want to start page number from here is on, and then here is 2, and first one is totally 0, 0, 1 and 2. How can I do that? In this video I will show you that. So first of all, you just need to select insert and then select page number, select format page numbers, and you just need to select start at. Here is, you can see it's a 0. You just need to select it. Here is you can see here is 1. You just need to select it 0 or type 0 on here, then select OK. Right now if you just select 0, you can see here is 0 and here is on and here is 2. So guys, in this way you can change the Microsoft Word page number very easily. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.